Everyone's talking about Claude Code, but nobody is showing you how to install it. So in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to set it up on your computer in a super simple way that doesn't require you to dive into the terminal, which can be super scary and intimidating for a lot of people. And you do not need to know code at all, regardless of what you've been told. So you are literally just going to need two things. Number one is a Claude account. If you have not created your Claude account yet, you can go to Claude.com and you will see here that on the pricing structure, we do need a paid account. So what my recommendation is start with Pro and upgrade to Max only if and when you feel you actually need it. But if you're going to get the Pro account, you're going to be paying $20 a month unless you pay for the entire year up front. So all we need is to create our Pro account. And again, jump to the Max plan if and when you need it. It's better to start low and then work our way up. Now, what we're going to do, number two, is we're going to head over to Google and we are going to search for Visual Studio Code. We're going to click on the top link and we are going to download this for our Mac or our PC. Now, Visual Studio Code is completely free, which is amazing. Now, don't let this screenshot scare you. This is just a glorified text editor with some added functionality for people who are writing code. And don't worry if you don't know how to write code, because Claude is going to do all of the code writing for us, so we don't need to know it at all. So what you're going to do, click download, and then when you open it on your computer, it's going to look a little something like this. Now what you do is you're going to click on the icon on the left-hand side that has the three squares with the one angled square. And what we're going to do is search for Claude Code. Once we search for Claude Code, you're going to see a few different options pop up. You're going to click on the top one that has our verified check mark beside the developer name, which of course is Anthropic. You will also know because it's got over 6 million downloads at the time of recording this video. Then you're going to click the install button. Now, because I've installed this before, this page versus what you're going to see is a little bit different. You're going to see basically a quick start guide that's going to give you a few checkboxes to go through. That's going to walk you through how to get this set up, but I'm going to show you very quickly and very easily. One thing you will notice automatically is our Claude logo is now in the top right-hand side of the screen. Click on that logo because Claude Code is now installed. We have a couple steps left to go, but Claude Code is basically ready for you to play around with. So the first thing you're going to do now is you're going to hit the slash button and type the word login. Now from here, you have a couple options. My recommendation is to sign in using your subscription, which is the Pro account that we just talked about. You can also connect your API keys directly, but I don't think we need to go down that path just yet. So we're going to click on our Claude AI subscription and it's going to open up a new Google Chrome window. Now inside of this window, if you're not already logged in, it's going to get you to log in and then you're just going to click authorize, which now connects your account to Claude Code. So we're going to click authorize and it now is done and fully set up. So we can hop back into Visual Studio and we're going to say, hey Claude, what's up? Because we are now fully connected. Just like that, we can chat with Claude Code the same way we would talk to Claude in the app. So everything, is ready to go. Now, a couple things that are important for this first batch of setups. You will notice here that we can always click on this window to actually create a new Claude chat agent for us, which is amazing. We can also see our conversation history and keep track of things very simply. But if we close all of these windows, the big important question becomes, how do we get it back? So there are a few different things that we can do here. Number one, we can click on this Claude. This is actually probably the only thing. So we're just going to stick with number one. We're going to click on the Claude icon on the left, where we can now see a line item history of all of our sessions, and we're just going to click new session, and there once again is our Claude Code window where we can again continue from a previous conversation or we can start a new one. Now the last thing I want to cover quickly here is you'll notice the explore button on the top right hand side. We need to give Claude Code access to a folder so that if and when it's going to create any files for us, it has a place to do it. Right now, there is a default folder that I set up originally. I'm actually just going to close that and open up a new project. going to open up a new window for us inside of Claude Code, instead of VS Code. So now this is a blank slate because you saw my folder structure, but yours will not exist. Yours will look exactly like this. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to our Finder. We're going to create a new folder and call it Claude Code. Put this in a place that you can easily remember, and then take this folder and drag it over into VS Code. Now, any of the files that we create from Claude, or that Claude creates for us, is going to be created inside of this folder, which, if we look in our actual Finder window, is going to be created right here. Again, I can open Claude Code, close these other windows because we don't need them, and we are ready to start building. That is literally all it takes to get your Claude completely set up in less than 6 minutes. If you're not already, make sure to like and subscribe. There are more Claude Code videos coming very shortly.